Start talking.
I'm actually not too sure what's going on here. I think I'm gonna have to consult the manual and see. This piece has a set screw in it. I'm wondering if that's like stock. There's a hole drilled in this.
It's not supposed to be?
No. This guy was gonna drill a hole, it wouldn't drill one that big. Right?
Mm-hmm. Do you think that it loses its integrity?
Mm-hmm.
You might have to replace the whole thing then.
I don't know. If it breaks, you'll have to. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm. Why do you think it was drilled?
Because it's stripped. Yeah, they're all like that. They're all stripped. I guess before I put the transmission together, I gotta do the, look at these in the crankcase, right? And the main drive gear. See what's up with that. So, stuff that we need to put the crank together, though, is gonna be here. Hey, what happened to the rag?
Oh, I put it...